These are 3D wall art tiles. Now these things are amazing because check them out, they stick out of the wall and they are plastic. They're not soft, as you can hear, nice and plastic, but they just look so cool. They're gonna be great for a backdrop in your videos. If you're a content creator or something like that, then these would be the thing to get to really make that backdrop just more than a plain white wall. I love how the light bounces off them because they've got those like kind of 3D hexagonal kind of vibe going on, diamond shape going on, so the light bounces off really nicely, and it's just really cool to elevate your wall, elevate your backdrop for these things. They come in a pack of 12, really easy to put on the wall as well. I highly recommend them, and go and get yourself some.